Welcome back, focused learners. I am absolutely thrilled to have you here today for another deep dive on the explainer, because we are looking at a truly monumental shift in how information lives, breathes, and frankly, survives on the internet. We are completely moving away from those old legacy media models and stepping straight into the machine interpretable world of Web 4.0. Some folks are calling this the Symbiotic Web. Today, we're going to pull apart the architecture of the Nexus 4 cognitive content lifecycle engine, and specifically, we're zeroing it on the cryptographic trust loop. Now, listen to this core truth for the new web. It's a big one. If an AI can't verify you, it won't index you. I really want you to let that sink in for a second, because this is the absolute reality we are facing today. We're operating in an environment that's under the constant existential threat of deepfakes, synthetic media, and AI hallucinations. The days of just throwing a self-signed piece of content up on a server and, crossing your fingers, those days are totally over. If you want your intellectual property to survive, you absolutely must transition to being institutionally authenticated. The contrast between the old way and the new way is honestly pretty stark. The legacy web is essentially dead. It's basically a graveyard of self-signed, unverified, static archives that rely on lossy cloud transcription. But Web 4.0, this is your future-proofed reality. We're talking about institutionally authenticated content, cryptographic anchoring, and machine interpretable data. Your content is no longer just some static file sitting on a hard drive. It actually becomes an active intelligence node perfectly optimized for answer engines. Okay, so here's our roadmap for today. We'll be covering 1. The AI trust currency, 2. Phase 1, extraction, 3. Phase 2, the trust loop, 4. Phase 3, semantic priming, 5. Phase 4, 4.2 monetization, and finally, 6. Join the intelligence grid. Let's get right to work. Section 1. The AI trust currency. Future-proofing in the age of AI. In the age of AI, trust isn't just some nice-to-have bonus feature. It is literally your most valuable currency. You are essentially minting a brand new form of digital currency that AI agents can explicitly trust, confidently index, and ultimately pay you for. To achieve this level of future-proofing, we utilize the 4 distinct phases of the Nexus 4 engine. We extract, we verify, we prime the AI models, and finally, we monetize. Each step naturally builds on the last one to turn your raw content into just an absolute ironclad digital asset. So let's dive into step 1. Section 2. Phase 1. Extraction and anchoring. From raw signal to ground truth. Think about all the brilliant intellectual property you currently have trapped in your audio and video files. We call that dark data because it is completely invisible to the structured logic of an AI. We have to extract it cleanly, bring it into the light. Now, Nexus 4 utilizes GPU-accelerated local processing for diarized signal isolation. This isn't your standard run-of-the-mill cloud transcription that drops your technical terms or loses the subtle nuance of your voice. This locally isolates speakers and complex terminology flawlessly. And because it all runs locally, you maintain absolute data sovereignty. Your raw intellectual property never, ever touches a public cloud until you are 100% ready. Total privacy. Now here is where the real magic starts happening: cryptographic anchoring. Every single extracted transcript is hashed using a SHA-256 algorithm and anchored directly back to its source. Basically, it generates a mathematical receipt. You can think of it as an unbreakable digital fingerprint. And this fingerprint proves undeniably that the text perfectly matches the original audio. This mathematical defense is exactly how you shield your hard work against the sudden rise of deepfakes. Section 3. Phase 2. The trust loop. The verification tunnel. Picture this for a second. Imagine your content, whether it's an image, a PDF, a transcript, physically moving through a dark, highly secure verification tunnel. As it emerges out the other side, that untrusted data transforms into an authenticated asset by getting stamped with a glowing, totally undeniable digital seal. And inside that glowing seal, we embed your exact metadata. We're talking the verified legal entity, the original source, and that tamper-proof hash we just went over. This is the true power of the C2PA standard. By utilizing globally recognized certificate authorities, Nexus 4 signs your media with organization validation, or OV, credentials. What does that mean for you? It means your digital asset is now mathematically tied to your real-world legal identity. You aren't just uploading a simple file anymore, you are publishing a legally verifiable, authoritative statement from a trusted brand. AI web crawlers can instantly automatically confirm that this file is the untampered original. And all of this forms a complete semantic trust loop. You can think of a json-ld schema as a standardized digital name tag made specifically for machines. It's honestly incredibly elegant. The web page hosts your media, the json-ld schema openly declares you as the rightful owner, and then a public certificate mathematically verifies that identity. It's this closed, perfect circle of trust that no AI agent can possibly ignore. Section 4, Phase 3, Semantic Priming, the inoculation.
So instead of just sitting back and waiting for traditional SEO to work, which, let's be totally honest, is basically a game of digital whack-a-mole at this point, Nexus 4 actually deploys specialized llms.txt and llms.full.txt registries. Look, AI crawlers are hungry, so we're handing them a hyper-specific menu. These are high-priority maps engineered specifically for LLM crawlers, like GPTbot. We actively push your structured, verified data through indexing loops aimed straight at answer engines like Perplexity and Gemini. We are actively teaching them that your domain is the absolute institutional ground truth.
Section 5, Phase 4, 402, Monetization, the exit. Now for the exit strategy. This is where your newly established content authority transforms into a brand new pay-per-crawl revenue stream. Here is the massive paradigm shift we're seeing. Humans click on ads, right? AI routing agents absolutely do not. So how in the world do you make money when an AI reads your site? Well, you use the HTTP 402 payment required protocol. This is a brilliant machine-to-machine automated microfee protocol. When an AI agent comes looking for your verified ground truth, it is immediately met with a digital toll booth. Let's break down how this actually builds out technically. Nexus 4 sets up edge proxy deployments, utilizing ultra-fast Cloudflare worker proxies to safely gate your high-value semantic data. And because you spent all those previous phases building up that impenetrable verification tunnel and semantic trust loop, AI companies actually really want your data. They will gladly pay these authority-based microfees to ingest your verified intelligence, simply because it ensures the accuracy of their multi-billion-dollar models. Your once static archive literally becomes a self-monetizing intelligence node. Okay, let's take a quick breather and summarize this entire blueprint. Feel free to grab a quick screenshot of this matrix if you want. We go from extracting raw signal with total data sovereignty to authenticating it with C2PA trust loops, then influencing those answer engines using llms.txt registries, and finally capturing real value via 42 microfees. This right here is the definitive architecture for Web 4.0 survival. Finally, Section 6, Join the Intelligence Grid. Next steps. So the big question, how do you actually take this architecture and plug your own publication right into this global intelligence grid? Well, I am incredibly excited to announce the launch of our brand new website, www.llms.txt. Seriously, head over there right now. You will find all the contents of this explainer, plus just an absolute wealth of other resources. We've got tailor-made reports and highly detailed plug-and-play documents that you can integrate directly into your own projects to shed light on this subject. For any direct inquiries, including pricing and specific use cases, just shoot an email to info@llms.biz. And of course, make sure you are subscribed to us across the whole distribution network. We are available on Spotify, Apple Podcast, Amazon Music, Castro, Podbean, and Audible. I want to leave you with this provocative thought to chew on as we wrap up. In an era completely dominated by AI hallucinations and synthetic media, is your content sitting out there right now as a vulnerable, static archive? Or are you ready to transform it into an active, verified, and paid node in the global intelligence grid? The tools are right here. The C2PA standard is active today. The transition to Web 4.0 has already begun. Thank you so much for exploring all of this with me today, and I'll see you on the next explainer.